Hi everyone, and welcome to another very quick tech tutorial by Pixamoo. So my name is Marius, and today I'm going to show you how to remove deleted videos from your YouTube playlists using an iPhone. To start with, you need to open your YouTube app, and then in the bottom right corner you need to click on Library. That will take you to this screen here, which in my case is the behind the scenes of another YouTube channel I'm running called Owner Drive. So all you have to do is go down and tap on the playlist that contains one or more deleted videos. In my case, that's the Volkswagen playlist down here. So I'm going to tap through to that one. And it's actually very similar to doing it in your browser on your computer. You just go to the top right corner of the screen where you see those three vertical dots and tap those. That will bring up this little menu down the bottom of the screen, and the top option there is Show Unavailable Videos. Tap that one, and it'll bring up the deleted video. From there, just tap the three vertical dots next to the deleted video, and then down the bottom of the screen again, hit Remove From, and the name of the playlist. In my case, Remove From Volkswagen. And that's it. Once you've done that, your playlist is nice and clean again.